On the vaccination program called Protect Chicago Plus.
There was a line outside the UI Health Mile Square Center, each person with an appointment and gratitude.
We heard that it was in Joliet or in Elgin, and we don't want to take a ride all the way over there. So we just waited for it to come here.
Marisol Areaga was minutes away from getting her first vaccination shot with her father, Jose.
Yeah, that's very convenient because we don't waste the time doing some other places.
This community health center is in Back of the Yards, which is identified in the Protect Chicago Plus program, a neighborhood hit hard by COVID, now in great need of vaccine. This map of Cook County, compiled by our data team at CBS2, shows communities in lighter shades with the fewest amount of people fully vaccinated. Back of the Yards is 60609, with just nearly 8% of the population protected. This clinic, inoculating up to 500 people 3 days a week, aims to raise that number.
It's this kind of focused work that is the heart of our Protect Chicago Plus initiative, and it's what we want to build, not just for vaccine, but for creating a healthier Chicago even past COVID.
Dr. Allison Arwady from the Department of Public Health and Mayor Lori Lightfoot believe that only happens on the ground, so they walked a few blocks to try and encourage back-of-the-yard neighbors to register for a shot. The mayor says equity remains a top goal.
Over 50% of the vaccine that's going into arms are among Black and Latinx Chicagoans. That is a significant accomplishment.
And with the opportunity to get that shot in their back-of-the-yard's backyard, the Areagas are now part of that percentage.
It's better, like we don't have to worry about it no more.
Now, there was a lot of hope and encouragement in seeing all of those people in line at this clinic to get the shot, but the mayor did have a warning today. She said that the city is seeing a slight increase in the number of COVID cases in the age group of 18 to 40. She said she will not hesitate to stop the rolling back of any COVID restrictions if cases should continue to climb. So she's reminding everyone that we are certainly not out of the woods yet. Erica?
Yeah, Marie, you talked about that number, the people out there, and also the percentage of the population protected. So is this program really working?
That was a question that we had for the city. I posed it this morning, and we got new data from them just within the last hour. And those numbers do show that the Protect Chicago Plus program is working. It charted information that they gathered at the beginning of February. That's when the program really started in earnest. And then from early March. And it showed the biggest jumps in a few neighborhoods I want to shout out here. Belmont-Cragen saw an almost 11% increase in the number of people in that community that had at least the first dose of vaccine. Another big one was Gage Park. They've seen nearly a 12% increase. So now here in Back of the Yards, Erica, they're hoping to see that same growth.
All right, Marie Saavedra, thank you.